Hello, I'm James Thomas, and today I'm going to tell you how to test anything in 3 minutes. Sometimes you're asked to start testing in a context that isn't ideal. You've only just joined the project, the test environment's broken, or maybe the developer's left. Knowing where to begin and what to focus on can be really difficult, and in this short talk I'll describe how I do it at whatever I'm testing. I'm going to cover what testing is for me, testing tools, and a really simple heuristic for starting. Testing then. I have a really strong idea of what testing is. For me, testing is the search for problems that are important to people who matter. For me, intent and deliberate actions are crucial. I want to choose what to test for, and where, and when, and how, and why, in the hope of finding the most interesting potential issues for my stakeholders. Now, naturally, there'll be constraints on that, and part of what makes testing such an interesting task for me is the challenge of finding productive ways to get the best value from my time for the people and the project that I'm working on. Tools are what I'll use to help me to test. And what is a tool? Well, for me, it's simply a thing used to help me perform a job. And I've got a toolbox that I carry with me, and over the years I've taken care to become really familiar with the tools in it so that I can reach for a tool that looks appropriate when I need it. Here's just a handful of the tools that I use all the time. Models, comparison, scientific and engineering methods, understanding the problem, I can't overstate that one, and automation. Of course, in order to use the tools that you've got to deliver valuable information to your stakeholders, you've got to start. And it can be challenging to start because you don't want to make a mistake or look foolish in front of your teammates or set the project off down the wrong path. But I've got a really helpful heuristic. Begin where you are. Begin by understanding constraints on budget and resources and time. Understanding the context. What's this product for? Who's it for? What do they want it to do? And value. Who are your stakeholders? What are they looking for from you and from this product? And then set your mission. Decide the first thing you'll do to attempt to deliver value. And perhaps that's simply talking to a stakeholder for an hour. And when you've done that, you'll have learned something. So reevaluate and set your next mission and your next mission and your next mission, all the while looking to deliver value. Are you testing when you're doing that? Well, yes, for me, you are. You're seeking problems that are important to people who matter. And that's how I test anything. I have an idea what testing means. I find and practice tools that help me to achieve it, and I'm not afraid to start from where I am and iterate. Thanks for listening. If you've enjoyed this, there's a lot more about everything I've spoken about today on our blog post and a talk that I gave at the online test conf, also called How to Test Anything. And if you want to find out more than that still, I'd really encourage you to look into the Association for Software Testing, where I'm the Vice President, and we promote and help to educate testers in this kind of context-driven testing. Thanks for listening. Bye.